done with my makeup. I just need to do my lips and blush and then set. I don't, again, normally put heat on my hair, but I wanted to try the like really tiny curler where you have like little ringlets all over. So we're gonna give that a try. Hopefully it doesn't fry my hair. I have the Kenra thermal setting spray and then Olaplex oil. I can prevent some damage. I don't know, I just kind of want to spice up my hair and see what it looks like. Like I always do the braids and I'm kind of getting bored, so I want to switch it up. So for my thermal spray, I'm just going to spray all over since I will be doing heat everywhere. Okay, so the lip combo I just showed you was Huda Beauty Terracotta, Vivid Pink, and then Sephora Creme de la Creme. I like to use a lip liner that's a little bit creamier for the center because the Huda Beauties are very, very matte, which is good for lining but not for the center because then you just look like you have a very matte lip. And I personally just like a little bit of a glossier lip. And so I like the creamier texture for the center of my lip and more matte for lining. Kylie Skin Butter Lip, Butter Lip and Toasted Marshmallow, and I freaking love that product. It does not leave your lips sticky. I'm really picky about my lip glosses, and I think Kylie Skin is really freaking good. But take a claw clip section off a thin layer of hair. And I'm just gonna curl different directions, that way they're not all in the same, like curled in the same way. Got a glove. It's so hard to get close to the root. It's giving Bridgerton.
Why not? Pasco and Co.
See if it'll not be as like tight of a curl. My face framing pieces got a little too short. So you know how like in like the old-timey movies when they have the updo, they then have these little ringlets on the side? Like that's exactly what it's giving. It is. Hopefully it'll fall before tonight. Now we have to pick out an outfit. Alright, I think the outfit is gonna be this Hollister dress, red boots. I have this Marshall sweater with these little hearts on it, but I cannot figure out what bottoms to wear, quite frankly. Like I was gonna wear my Juicy bandeau or this long sleeve from Garage and then red tights, but I don't know what bottoms to wear. Like I have no bottoms. I don't know. Let me try on a few outfits and then we'll see. All right, it's time to make the cake pops. So I got 2 cake mixes because there's, I think, quite a bit of people going. I'm not the best at baking, I'll be honest, because you really have to follow measurements with baking, and you guys know I don't like doing that. And then cream cheese frosting, and then I got the candy melts from Michael's. So what my mom does, she bakes the cake, lets it cool, then crumbles it, and then rolls it with the cream cheese frosting and molds it into the little ball, and then we dip it in the candy melts. We're already not off to a good start. I burnt it, so now my house smells like something burnt. And doing it on a pan, hopefully this doesn't burn either. Baking's just like way too tedious, and I feel like a lot harder too. Like you have to get it perfect or else everything goes wrong. I'm gonna have to end up going to the grocery store and buying something to bring because this is not going well. I don't think it's melted enough. Like, no, that's not right. The ugliest cake pop ever. Bro, it don't taste good. It don't look good. I mean, it's me core. No, I can't cook. I'm just gonna run to the store and get cupcakes. I literally have just been sitting here like stirring it. It's on low. And I somehow burnt the bottom of this too, and like the texture's weird. I don't know how my mom did this. Why can't I do a freaking simple cake pop? I don't want to like show up with crap product. Like, hey guys, here's my cake pops. Please eat them. This is a fail. All right, I wanted to update you guys because my hair has started to fall a little bit in the front, and it looks so good now. Front pieces definitely aren't as like short, as tight. I feel like I've been like constantly like not teasing it, but like brushing my hands through it to kind of get more volume. I think I have my outfit, red coat, but it's this like white fox active set with these red tights. I can't find any boots that look good, so I'm just doing white. And then I've got my heart cardigan on. It's $4.50. It's at 6, so I really need to run to the grocery store ASAP to get like the cupcakes. I need to get magazines because again, we're doing like vision board, mood board type stuff. Yeah, running behind, but I just wanted to give a hair update and also the OOTD update. This this jacket's actually way too big, so I don't know if it looks right. Please ignore the mess. I was just debating outfits. Oh, if it came in like that, it would be like a lot better, but it's a little too big, so I don't know if it looks right. Like, I feel like I have doll hands.
Here's a little itty bitty chihuahua.
Here's another one. Hello. Hello. Oh, okay.
We'll put your
You'll be
head
on my
over
next
soon.
Instagram post. The shopping, drinking with my friends, running friends.
No more drinking.
Traveling.
We're done.
Good morning, guys. It is a new day. I just filmed a spring decorate video with me. So I now have my spring decor up. It feels like just so fresh and clean. And I'm glad to have like gotten rid of all the winter decor. I just ordered Chili's. I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna go work out. It's Sunday, so the gym does close early. So I need to like eat fast and then go to the gym. Oh my God, am I still recording? No, thank God. So we need to pick out an outfit for the gym. Today's Sunday, the gym will be did, which I'm here for, but I still want to have a cute outfit because I feel like that motivates me, but it's upper body, so yeah. But my hair is holding on really well. Like I've been sleeping with like a really loose bun on top of my head to preserve the curls. Not gonna wash my hair again tonight and probably just throw some like dry shampoo in there. I'm loving how it looks. It only took about an hour to do. I looked at my timestamps from my phone when I was recording. I started at like 2:18, got done at like 3:23. So it didn't take too long, but it was also probably because I had somewhere to be, so I really had to rush through it. But this is the new bedroom decor, which you'll see in the spring decorate with me. Back in the closet, which I have not cleaned. It's cold as crap outside again, so I definitely think I'm gonna wear a sweat set. I've got bolero. I don't know. I think I just found my outfit. So because it's upper body day, I really like doing sweatpants for upper body. So we're gonna do the garage blue with the white fox yellow tank. It'll be such a cute color combo. Probably just wear like Define Impact blue short, like ice blue shorts. We've got the food. I'm so hungry. Salad. Oh my God, good thing I asked for extra dressing because they didn't give me any. Mozzarella sticks look dry and burned. I don't like eating alone, so I refuse to go in store or like in the restaurant to eat because I don't want to eat by myself. But I hate having to DoorDash because one, it's way overpriced. But today I was like, okay, I haven't DoorDashed in a long time, so I'm gonna do it today. But then you get everything cold, not fresh. You don't know what the DoorDasher's done with the food. And then they try and play you and not give you any dressing for your salad. I'm sorry, I don't like eating just lettuce. Yeah, cold. Oh, and then you spent like twice the amount you would in the restaurant for half as good of product, food. How depressing. Yeah, I continue to do it. But I'm gonna eat this real quick, get dressed for the gym, and go.
Cada vez que me pego lo sé, que estás buscando conmigo ya. Cada vez que me entrego a tu piel, hoy puedo verlo ya. Pero baby, dime cómo te llamas. Y vamos a prendernos en llamas. Mami, si tú eres la que me gusta, lo supe desde que te pegaste. La que rompe en el par, viste de vulgares. No puedo alejarme de ti. Sabes que estoy aquí por ti. Otra noche más te sentí. So síguelo moviendo así. Mami, si tú eres la que me gusta, lo supe desde que te pegaste. La que rompe en el par, viste de vulgares. No puedo alejarme de ti. Sabes que estoy aquí por ti. Otra noche más te sentí. So síguelo moviendo así. Si quieres lo seguimos en el party. Si quieres nos vamos pa' mi casa. No soy de ir al after party, pero vamos a ver qué pasa. Quedan un par de horas y tú eres una abusadora. De ti están pendientes, corre contra la corriente. Y para mí es evidente que tenemos algo pendiente. Por cómo ella mueve su pared, por cómo ella hace que sube. Es una líder en lo que ella noche más te sentí. So síguelo moviendo así. Yeah. A mí no le bajes por cómo luce el traje. Ninguna comedia se menea. Ella quiere que todo el mundo la vea. Olvidemos la gente, bailemos como demente. Tú quieres que yo te me pegue y yo quiero que conmigo te entregues. Contra la pared, no tú a la vida. Dice por cómo ella mueve su pared, por cómo ella hace que sube. Es una líder en lo que ella me hace y no quiero que el tiempo nos atrase. Cada vez que me pide, lo sé, está buscando conmigo. Cada vez que me entrego, hoy puedo verlo. Baby, dime cómo te llamas. Y vamos a prendernos en llamas. Yeah. Excelencia, shifted culture. Dímelo, JV boy. Okay, Chile en la casa. Excelencia, all day. We killing.